first grade, we are going to be learning about the ah sound, A, W, and A-U, that makes the ah sound. So we're going to use A-W mostly in the middle and at the end of a word. And then we're going to use A-U at the beginning and middle of a word. So we're going to do some examples. So we're going to start with A-W. So let's think of words that when A-W, it's mostly in the middle or at the end of the word. So for example, let's do paw. Your dog has a paw. A-W is at the end. Ah, paw. Draw. Straw. Use a straw in your drink. Claw. Yawn. Can you see that down there? Yeah, yawn. Wanted to make sure I wasn't going too far down where you couldn't see. So paw, draw, straw, claw, yawn. So those were, here's one in the middle. Yawn is in the middle, but the rest of them have the ah at the end. So now we're going to go to A-U. So we're going to use A-U usually at the beginning of a word or in the middle of a word. So let's think of some examples of A-U using the ah sound. So we have the month of August. My daughter's birthday is in August. And we have to have a capital A because it's the name of a month. And remember, that's one of the rules we learned. If it's months of the year, we need to have it be capitalized. So we have August. Faucet. You turn on the faucet. Either the cold for cold or turn on the hot for hot. Launch. You launch a rocket up into the sky. NASA does that. Let's see. Laundry. Mrs. Harlow has been doing laundry. And then let's think of another one. Autumn. Autumn is another word for saying the season fall. So we have autumn. Ooh, another one. I'm going to put it over here so you can see it better. Because. That's a word we use a lot in our writing. Because. So here again, we use A-U when it's at the beginning or in the middle of a word. So here we have an August and autumn. Our ah is at the beginning of the word. But in faucet, launch, laundry, and because, the A-U is in the middle of the word. So again, let's review when to use ah and ah, A-W and A-U. Use A-W mostly in the middle and at the end of a word. Use A-U at the beginning and middle of a word. So I hope that kind of helps you distinguish when to use what word that makes the same sound. Because ah, you're thinking, when do I use which word? Or which diphthong there. So, oh, remember we talked about that silly word diphthong? Diphthong is meaning that it's two pairs of letters that make one sound. So they both make ah. So A-W and A-U make the ah sound. So I hope that helps you kind of distinguish between which ah to use. All right, good job, thanks.